Here there's a short trade idea of mine. As you can see, we took liquidity here and we took liquidity here. So I don't see why I would long in this area. It's more of the top process. Well, we're going higher, we're going higher. So I don't know if it's a valid place to long here. Because are we at resistance or are we at support? And we are at resistance here. Only top process I would have is as we flip this structure level here. I would like to see it retest and go higher into the important level. So if we retest the structure level, we'll most likely get a bounce of some sort and we'll put our stop to break even. But it also feels stupid to long right now. I just reduce size and just take the trade anyway. So it's like a 2.3 R here. With the limits in this area here, or at the low here, and see how price behaves. That's the plan for now. Also because it allows us to retest the level and continue higher. And also if we see a close in this level, in this box here, that's pretty bearish, so I can close again here. To 0.4 R, I think. Or even 4 or 5. I think that's valid. Maybe a bit high risk, but we'll see what happens.